Alright, so here is the best way on how you can get Instagram API key. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can get the token access. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. Just follow up till the end to exactly know. First up, you just need to open up your web browser basically, and you need to type in developers Facebook. Once you type it in, it will show something like this. It will say Meta for developers. Go ahead and press on that. Once you press on it, it will just show up like this. And here, as you can see, I don't have any access right now, but you have to get started with it. If you haven't logged in or signed up, just go ahead and sign up basically. And if you don't have an account, basically create an account. So it's just going to be something like this. First, you got to register, then verify account, then contact info, and then about you, some information. So you just got to fill out these information type, once you do this, what you have to do, it'll, instead of get started right over here, it will show you apps. So you just gotta go ahead and press on apps. So further on here, as you can see, as I said, you gotta click on my apps, and then you directly see the option of create app, and then choose business type, and then click next. Once you click on it, just give your app a name. So it will show you an app option, like anything you like to provide, and then you gotta provide your email, and then press create app. Once you do that, now you gotta add Instagram Graph API. You'll see, and inside app dashboard, you gotta press on click add product on the left sidebar, and then select Instagram and press setup. Now you gotta connect your Instagram. You need a business or creator Instagram account. What you gotta do for this is just simply go ahead and open up Instagram, and right over here, just make sure that your account is public and you have a creator or business account. So once you do this, you gotta go to website permissions, and here you'll see the option of apps and websites. So go ahead and press on that, and right over here, obviously I'm on a private account, so I won't see this option, but you'll see an option of API token access, as I'll show you further on. So you just got to go to Facebook page, settings, Instagram, and then connect account. So as I told you before, you need to link your Instagram to your Facebook, but you need a business or creator account for that. Just make sure that you have that. And then back in the app dashboard, just click Instagram account. Once you click on it, you got to go to get access token. How do you do that? Just go to tools, Graph API Explorer, and then after that, select your app and Instagram Graph API. Choose permissions like Instagram underscore basic, and then generate access token. Copy the access token. That's your API key. And now that's optional. Step 6, just extend the token. Your default tokens expire quickly. To get a long-lived token, what you have to do is just go to access token debugger, and then paste your token, click debug, and then extend your token access. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye, and I'll see you later.